everyone, happy to see you. Definition, pengertian. Riddles is a statement, question, or phrase that has a double meaning. It can also be described as a puzzle to be solved. For example, what flies without wings? Apa itu yang terbang tanpa sayap? Can you guess? Yeah, that's right. Time or waktu dalam bahasa Indonesia. Kenapa waktu atau times? Penjelasannya sebagai berikut. Dalam percakapan dalam bahasa Inggris, orang Inggris biasanya mengucapkan waktu yang berlalu atau waktu yang berjalan itu dengan mengucapkan kata time flies. Walaupun memang waktu itu tidak memiliki sayap. Social function of riddles. Riddles basically came from Old English story. The following are general function of riddles. The first is entertaining the audiences. The second, provoking challenge to figure out the answer. And then, helping in memory training. The last, educating and advising. Structures of riddles. Most riddles are in the form of a statement, a question, or a phrase. Sometimes they use homonym, homophone, and a poem forms. For example, I'm the black coat of the road. The answer is asphalt. No sooner spoken than broken. What is it? The answer is silent. What has 8 arms, lives in the ocean, and tells time? The answer is clock-topus. The last, the beginning of eternity, the end of time and space, the beginning of every end, and at the end of every place. Can you guess? The answer is the letter E. Types of riddles atau jenis-jenis riddles. The first is enigma. This type of riddles is a statement or question that employs metaphorical or allegorical language. For example, I'm tall when I'm young. I'm short when I'm old. Can you guess what am I? The answer is candle. Conundra. This type of riddles relies on some sort of pun, permainan kata-kata, either in the original statement or in the answer. For example, what is the longest word in the dictionary? The answer is smile, because there is a mile between each letter S. Characteristic of riddles atau ciri-ciri riddles. Riddles, it is a verbal puzzle atau teka-teki verbal. Some riddles use pronoun atau kata ganti I, saya. Even though the word should be guessed is a thing atau kata yang mesti diterka itu adalah sebuah benda. For example, if you had me, you want to share me. If you share me, you haven't got me. What am I? Siapakah saya? Can you guess? Yes, the answer is a secret. Let's play riddles. Please guess. The first riddles. What gets wetter the more it dries? Apa yang semakin basah malah jadi semakin kering? The answer is a towel, handuk. Why is the answer is a towel or handuk? Penjelasannya begini. Saat kita mengeringkan badan menggunakan handuk, handuk akan semakin basah, namun badan kita malah menjadi semakin kering. The second riddles is what goes around the words and stay in the corner. Apa yang pergi keliling dunia tetapi dia diam di pojok? Can you guess what am I? Yes, the answer is a stamp, perangko. Why is the answer is a stamp or perangko? Penjelasan sebagai berikut. Perangko itu dikirim ke seluruh dunia. Ini yang dimaksud pergi keliling dunia. Namun perangko tetap menempel di pojok amplop. The third riddles. What kinds of room has no windows or door? Ruangan macam apa yang tidak punya jendela atau pintu? Can you answer what am I? Yes, the answer is mushroom, jamur. Penjelasannya, bahasa Inggris jamur mengandung kata room, mushroom, yang berarti ruangan atau kamar. Jadi teka-teki ini merupakan plesetan dalam bahasa Inggris. The fourth riddles. Please listen. What has to be broken before it can be used? Apa yang harus dirusak sebelum digunakan? Can you answer what am I? Ya, the answer is egg, telur. Penjelasannya, jika kita ingin menggunakan atau memasak, telur mesti dirusak atau dipecahkan dulu. The last riddle, number 5. Riddles number 5. Which letter of the alphabet has the most water? Huruf alfabet mana yang memiliki air paling banyak? Can you answer what am I? Ya, the answer is C. C. Huruf C dalam bahasa Inggris itu di-pronounce atau diucapkan C, yang artinya lautan. Well everyone, today we have learned about riddles or teka-teki in English. I hope you got the point of our topic today. Thanks for watching.